Alright, I wanted to do a quick video today before the market opens. Got some important news, and I wanted to touch on a little bit of the news that's going on in the world. Still in the hotel, getting ready to travel out of here. The beard is extra straggly. I might have to trim it up pretty soon. But GameStop's got some great news with the Nintendo Switch today. We'll get to that in a second. Got asked a lot about the news yesterday about CEOs leaving Trump's his business council. Two views on this. Intel is the latest. You got Intel, Merck, and Under Armour leaving. Two ways to look at this. If I was a shareholder in those companies, and this is just my slant, I would be questioning what the guys are doing. To me, Tim Cook's got the best method. Be there at the table, but send out memos and tweets when you disagree. I just think it's crazy that you have an opportunity to be there, possibly changing policy, and you walk away. Now, the other side of the coin to look at it is the values that these people have and the leadership strength there. That's a way of looking at it. So if you feel that strongly about it, it's a good move to you for the CEOs. It certainly hasn't affected their stock prices yet, but I think Tim Cook has the best approach, and you want to be there to help influence things. So that's just my take on it. I had a couple of messages asking what I thought it would do to the stocks. Hasn't done anything really, and I think as a shareholder, my preference would be that they stay there. Other people, like I said, it shows some strong leadership to do something like that. So both folks could be happy with it. Ultimately, I don't think it'll mean much to the stock. Now, one of the reasons why I'm recording so early before I head out today is, one, because I'm traveling, and two, because GameStop is getting a bunch of Nintendo Switches today. Apparently each store is going to get about 5 units or so. I'll link to the article there. So you've got time. You've got a couple hours before GameStop opens up. They'll either be on the shelves today or tomorrow. They'll be getting them today. So if you want a Nintendo Switch, go ahead and get it. I would say get one. They're fantastic. Get Splatoon 2 with it and play with it versus selling it at a later date. If you want to hold it to Christmas, you'll probably be able to get a couple $100 on it if you want to do it that way. So go get your Nintendo Switches at GameStop. GameStop's got its earnings coming up at the end of the month. We'll be interested in those. I think GameStop's going to be relatively flat all year, but could have an earnings beat. Who knows? It's could have sold a lot of Nintendo Switch. They've had a lot of bundles up on ThinkGeek and everything. So back to normal tomorrow, hopefully, and a lot of responses about doing some more day trading tips and swing trading. So I'll look to do that, and maybe even some shorter videos. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Get the latest investing news for gamers. We will see you tomorrow.